Hello, fellow affiliate marketing enthusiasts. Welcome back. Today, we're diving deeper into the art of affiliate marketing with a focus on tracking, analyzing, and conversion optimization. Are you ready to master the crucial steps that will take your affiliate marketing game to the next level? Buckle up, it's going to be an enlightening journey. First, let's talk about tracking. The ability to track your affiliate marketing efforts is like having a treasure map. Use tracking tools and analytics to understand what's working and what's not. Know where your traffic is coming from, which links are getting the most clicks, and which products are driving sales. This knowledge is your compass. Next up, we have the analyzing phase. Once you've collected data, it's time to decode it. Analyze your audience's behavior, the performance of your content, and the effectiveness of your marketing strategies. Look for patterns, strengths, and areas that need improvement. This step is where you unearth hidden gems. Conversion optimization is the final piece of the puzzle. It's about turning those clicks into gold. Experiment with different strategies. Test your call to action buttons, the placement of your affiliate links, and the design of your landing pages. By optimizing the conversion process, you can increase your affiliate earnings significantly. Remember, affiliate marketing is a dynamic journey. It's not a one-size-fits-all adventure. Keep tracking, analyzing, and optimizing your efforts. Stay open to change and adapt to the ever-evolving landscape of digital marketing. Your quest for this video is to share your own tracking, analyzing, or conversion optimization tip in the comments below. Let's learn from each other and continue growing our affiliate marketing skills together. If you're finding this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth insights into affiliate marketing. That's it for today, my friends. I'll see you in the next video as we continue our exciting journey through the world of affiliate marketing. Until then, happy tracking and optimizing.